Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss a few questions from previous board exam question paper on how to balance a chemical reaction. Let us start. First question. Write a balanced chemical equations for the following reactions. So, dear students, these are the word equations which are given. For such questions, you should know the formulas. So let us start with the first question. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminium powder. So write the formula from aluminium, sulfuric acid. So you should know what is the product. So aluminium when reacts with sulfuric acid gives aluminium sulfate and hydrogen. So this is a general form of writing. Now let us check whether the atoms are balanced on LHS and RHS. Let us start with the maximum number of atoms. For example, oxygen, which is having maximum number of atoms that are 12. On LHS, there are 4. So here on LHS also you need 12 number of atoms. So let us put 3 here. So 3, 4, 12. Oxygen atoms are balanced. Now let us check with aluminium. Aluminium on LHS 1, on RHS 2. So here you need 2 more. So let us write 2 here. So aluminum atoms are balanced, oxygen atoms are balanced. Now let us check with hydrogen and sulfur. Hydrogen, 3 number of atoms on LHS, on RHS 3. Here H2 is there, so there are total number of atoms 6. On LHS 6, on RHS 6 hydrogen atoms. Yeah, so balanced. Okay. So now this is a balanced reaction, dear students. And remaining atom is, one atom is remaining, that is sulfur. Sulfur, let us check. 3 atoms of sulfur on LHS. On RHS also we are having 3 atoms of sulfur. Yeah, this is also balanced. So now all the atoms, all the elements are balanced on LHS and RHS. So this is a balanced reaction. I hope you have understood. Let us start with the second reaction. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium carbonate. So first you should write the reaction. Sodium carbonate reacts with HCl to give sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So let us check whether this reaction is balanced. Start with the maximum number of atoms the element is having. So which element is having maximum number of atoms? Say for example here oxygen. Oxygen you're having 3 on LHS. Here you're having 3. Okay, it's balanced. Carbon 1, 1 balanced. Oxygen, that's already balanced. Sodium 2. Here we are having 1. So let us balance sodium. So I'll write here 2 over here. So 2 Na atoms on RHS and 2 on LHS. So it's balanced. So now all the elements on LHS and RHS are balanced. So this is a complete balanced reaction. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let us start with the third example. Carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. So carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Dear students, you should know the formula for lime water. So the formula for lime water is calcium hydroxide. So when calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, it gives calcium carbonate and water. Now let us check whether it's balanced. So let us start with the element which is having maximum number of atoms. Here Accordingly, oxygen is having maximum number of atoms, 3 plus 1, 4. Here 2 and 2, that is 4. So 4 oxygen atoms balanced. Okay. Let us start with calcium. Calcium, it's 1 here on RHS 1 balanced. Okay. Carbon, let us start with carbon 1. Here also 1. Okay, so this reaction is balanced reaction. So all the elements on the LHS as well as on the RHS are having same number of atoms, like they are balanced. Okay, I hope you have understood. So this is the way of balancing a word equation, dear students. So you should write systematically all the formulas for all the elements and atoms first, and then it will be very easy for you to write the equations. I hope you'll do that. Let us start with second question. Now this is the second question which was asked in previous board exam question paper. Sodium plus water reacts with NaOH plus, it gives NaOH plus H2. So sodium and water reacts to give NaOH and water. So here you have to balance the reaction. So let us start with maximum number of atoms. Here hydrogen, we'll start with hydrogen. Here 3 on RHS. Here we are having 1. So here we need how many more? 4. You need 4 hydrogen atoms. So here 4 hydrogen atoms on LHS. Let us see whether we are having the same number of atoms on the RHS. So here I'll write 2 here. So 2H, there are 2 hydrogen, and here also 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 plus 2, 4. Yeah, balanced. Next, let us check with sodium. Sodium 2. Here on the RH is 2. Okay, sodium atoms are balanced. Let us check with oxygen. Oxygen 2. Here 2 oxygen atoms. Yeah, it's balanced. So the reaction is balanced. So dear students, in the last class, as I've explained you can formulate a table. You can write the number of elements on LHS and RHS. Okay, you can write accordingly which is having the maximum number of atoms in the reaction, and then you can start writing. Okay, so you can do directly, or you can formulate a table, and accordingly step by step you can just try to balance the chemical reaction that I've explained in the last class. So you can just go through my second video. You will get to know in detail step by step procedure to balance the chemical equation. So let us see the second example. FeSO4 gives Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So let us check whether the atom elements on LHS and RHS are balanced. So maximum number of atoms, I think we can start with oxygen. Okay, so see, oxygen here on LHS we are having 4. Here on RHS 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So here you need 4 more to balance it. So let us write 2 here. So here we are having 4, 2 is 8. 8 oxygen atoms. This 2 is the coefficient we are writing for oxygen only. Okay. Don't write at the base, students. You have to write here. So 8 oxygen atoms. Okay. Here let us take, yeah, 8 oxygen atoms. So this is balanced. Okay. This is SO3, SO2, O3. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 8. Okay, balanced. Let us start with iron. Iron here, 1. Here 2. So I'll write 2 over here to balance the iron atoms. Okay, so there are same number of atoms on LHS and RHS. So this are balanced. Now let us check with sulfur. Sulfur 1. Here we are having a 2. So as we have written 2 here, sulfur atoms are also balanced. Okay, now this reaction is balanced. So I hope you have understood and you've got an idea about how to balance a chemical equation which is given in the word form, or some reactions are given which are not balanced, like they may give you in the form of word equation, or they may give you the reaction, unbalanced reaction. So I hope you all came to know like how to balance the reaction. In the next class I'm going to start with types of chemical reactions with examples. I hope you have understood today's class. Yeah, so thank you for watching, dear students. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.